How's your cardio?
Rubbish. Should probably do something about it, but no, it's definitely better playing football every week. Yeah. I think it's because.
You know what it is?
What?
Just get your emotions involved.
Yeah.
Can't really speed, can't really speed.
Yeah, yeah.
And you run it for like, how long is it? 40 minutes?
Yeah. But it's also short bursts, like quick, which is tiring. And if you're already out of breath and tired, and the ball's coming near you, you have to run and get it.
Yeah.
So you kind of do an extra.
Yeah, you can't, no rest rounds.
Yeah. That's cool that it's just like open. Yeah. Shall I keep lookout? I'll record it.
I'm seeing animals.
Animals?
Yeah. Sheep and so this you heard the news about basically about uncontacted tribes in the Amazon. They've got like the first videos of people like making contact with them.
Oh right.
Come out recently. It's just a video of coming out of the jungle and like asking the people there for like, I think that's like bananas and rope and stuff. And then the guy pushes over the boat with all the stuff in it, and they like wade through the water and just start like grabbing stuff for themselves. And yeah, apparently they went back the next day, like to the same area, like the anthropologists or whatever, went back the same next day in the same area, and then they got ambushed by the same people. Yeah, you know they have them like massive arrows that are like 7 foot long.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, apparently one guy got like, well, they were like shooting them at the boat as the boat was like driving past. I'll get out of here. Getting shot by the people. And then as he's like driving,
like one of them sticks.
Uncontacted.
Yeah. Scary.
Yeah, they're like flying arrows at him. He's like driving a boat, like leaning back to like slip inside the boat.
Yeah.
And he gets caught with like one in his shoulder. Just like a massive 7 foot arrow just going up straight through.
Like all the way through?
Yeah. Full penetration.
That is mad. Is he alright?
Yeah, it's fine. Survived it somehow.
It's good to hear. Should probably get out of there. If that's good.
It's crazy though. Just like hunting for anacondas and stuff.
Yeah.
For anacondas.
Yeah.
Just like grabbing them. Wrapping them around the neck.
That is crazy. Oh yeah. Lit a picket. Yeah. Get into Saturday evening and we were having a Chinese, and I don't know if you can.
Well, I always think I can like try these.
I thought you were trying to put it back.
Got super glue.
It's left.
Yeah. Yeah, it's probably less.
Yeah.
That must be from the other car park.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, because we're going up there, aren't we?
On Strava and things, on the OS maps or anything?
No, just I'm sort of against that.
Yeah, same thing. It's a bit nice to know like how fast it is.
Yeah.
Same distance. But yeah, I don't do it. It's not really worth the hassle of getting your phone out or checking it something like that. Why are you against it?
If you're gonna run, just go for a run. Like, not everyone needs to know. I guess if you're just using it for yourself, that's fine. But people post it and then react and shit. This is a cool little trail. Come to a Y junction. I reckon you got that. You need to make sure it's the right way. That's probably gonna like kill a small child.
Tiny child walking past it. It's not going anywhere. That.
Oh, I've made it worse.
Wait, hang on. Dig a little hole out for it.
Now we're using my brain. Should have left it. Oh yeah. Yes.
I need to.
Try and wedge something in. Oh mate.
Look at that, solid.
I think a couple more in this front bit. Oh, look at that.
More in the front.
What course are you doing?
Product design.
Putting that to use. Oh.
Oh.
It's that front bit.
I don't know. It needs a bigger one in there. This would be sick. Imagine this is your job. National Park Ranger or whatever.
Can you get another one in the front, like on top of that?
It needs to be like sharp, isn't it?
Yeah. Surely. Surely.
Whoa, it's getting there.
Hiya.
Aren't you cold?
No, I'm warmed up ages ago. Fuck me. Who's left? I hate it when I want a good interaction and I can't get my words out. Did you?
I was pissing myself. Warmed up ages ago. You stopped for a minute as well. He just caught his breath when he was talking.
I got that on camera as well.
PB. Is that what you meant to say?
I don't know. I was trying to say like I got boiling earlier. Oh jeez.
Definitely ran off like that.
Just really bad at like thinking on the spot. It's such a stupid question.
Are you not cold?
If I was cold, I'd have a hoodie on. Stupid old bint.
Don't be mad at him because he can get you up.
He seemed like a nice chap.
Yeah.
Shame about the words that came out of his mouth.
It was a compliment in a way though.
Yeah.
Like if you can't quite really say
You're
tough bastard.
Yeah, it's like a nod of approval.
Yeah, yeah.
He was running uphill though, I've got to give it to him. That's like, he's fitter than me. we've got a choice. That's the top. That like joins to offers like, or we go up this. I mean, I know what I want to do.
So that one is that?
Yeah. Oh, I think it's the same. Oh yeah, yeah. I did a really cool walk with my brother. Fucking hell. Just tripped.
Can you subscribe to Monty's Madness?
Monty, what's that?
Monty's Madness, it's my YouTube.
Yeah, I'll subscribe.
Thank you. I like climb mountains and stuff.
Do you?
Yeah.
That's cool, man.
My mum's recording right now.
Is she?
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
Be careful!
Just 2-footed some kid. YouTuber.
Huh?
YouTuber.
Really?
Yeah, Monty's Madness.
Really?
Told me to subscribe. He said his mum's recording.
It's just not.
Just shouting at him. It's time and a place, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a good name actually. Monty's Madness. That's pretty good. I was at a bird of prey show at like a bird sanctuary when I was a kid, and the guy doing it was really good. And he like gets a load of really cool birds out, and they're like swooping and shit. And then at the end, he just gets like 20 crows out, and somehow that's the bit you remember most. He just made them seem so cool.
What do you mean, like, all at once?
Yeah, just like swooping and catching stuff and flying low. Started there, around there, up there, across there, down there, up there, up that bit. 2.5, yeah. But we've done, remember we've like zigzagged. So the actual like good view. You're not cold?
Fucking hell, your skin's...
I look tanned.
It's the Scottish tan.
Oh, is that a Trig?
Oh yeah, it's a special one as well.
Oh, I love a Trig. Nicest Trig I've ever seen. Oh, that is amazing. Oh. Is it the year of the chicken, 1985? Was that when this was erected? It might be the best Trig of all time, that.
Best one so far. It's an offence to damage it.
Like what the spiders.
What's it called?
That's the I don't know. That's the spider, and then what do you call that? So like something screws in there, and then you rest it, and then you look to see the next Trig, and that's how they mapped Britain.
Oh, that's sick. You could also get one of them.
Yeah.
I don't know if it probably wouldn't work. No, I don't know.
Well, yeah, they're all, they don't get you. I assume because of like satellites or something. I don't know.
Yeah, there's better ways to do it.
So how did they get all this up? It's good this offers dike. I love it when it's like dead foggy and then it just opens up.